Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Earlier today, I made a video on this, and I stated I was trying to get this thing to look like it was not a block coming out, but a void coming in. And one of my viewers or subscribers sent me this graphic right here, and I was just making one mistake with the intersect tool. So we're going to take away these colors and actually take away these lines. So what I was doing is normally when I make a cube, I do this. Well, what you need to do is go the other direction. Go from that node to the center, from that node to the center, and then from that node to the center. And then when you fill them in, we'll go ahead and do the same thing. We'll go red here. We'll go ahead and do them all first. Blue here and green here. Now we'll go ahead and let's go ahead and put a line around this so you can, I'm going to right click outline. And it already kind of looks like it is going in now. And I really appreciate that. I love it when I'm having trouble. I don't know what I was thinking, but then go with the interactive fill tool and swipe across it, and let's make it a little dark in there, just a little bit, not so much. Maybe move your handle this way. Now it'd be nice if the attribute eyedropper would be working, but when you're going around there, it's going to change. I don't really know if I just need to go like that to the center. So if I did that, I would probably do that one to the center. And then get the blue and do the same thing. A total different look. I really appreciate that help. And it does now. It looks like it's going in where this one looks like it's coming out. And I could probably not even do anything with the interactive fill tool, but it does look like it's going in now. Much, much better. I really appreciate it. And let's make it a little bit thicker line. Kind of show it off a little bit more. Anyway, and it's really kind of an optical illusion when you first look at it. Is it coming out or going in? Anyway, I appreciate it. And thank you for watching.